You're watching Authentic and Commons. Reasons for dandruff. Albeit the reason for dandruff isn't totally perceived, it is right now hypothesized that one of the primary driver is a breakdown of the scalp's regular lipid obstruction, leaving it more presented to contamination by the minute yeast that is generally found in the scalp. At the point when the yeast congests, it prompts a fiery reaction that murders off scalp cells at a high rate, which thus swamp off in tacky fixes and chips. The condition is distinguished by white or clear pieces on the scalp, through the hair, and on garments. Bothersome scalp which might be red and excited. Some youthful teenagers discover they create dandruff when they hit pubescence in light of the fact that their cleanliness propensities haven't changed to address the difficulties of recently sped up sebum creation. Stress, helpless cleanliness and less than stellar eating routine can make the scalp more defenseless to dandruff. High sugar food sources specifically are known to worsen yeast diseases. The hair ought to be brushed consistently to extricate pieces and animate blood supply to the scalp, which will speed up the normal resistant reaction to contamination. Treating dandruff. There are not many propensities you can create in normal medicines you can use to treat dandruff. Nourishment. An overabundance of sugar in the eating routine can worsen any yeast disease. Have a go at decreasing your admission, all things considered, and refined starches while treating for dandruff. Purging. Back rub your scalp altogether with your fingertips while shampooing. This will help extricate and eliminate any dead skin chips and help keep the disease from proceeding. Wash your hair every day until the contamination is cleared up. Molding. Utilize a defensive hair condition on the closures of hair as it were. Try not to get conditioner on your scalp where it can obstruct pores and meddle with mending of the skin. Different medicines. Back rub. Kneading your scalp a few times each day with the stack of the fingers just will animate blood supply to the hair follicles and help slacken the dead skin drops. Brushing. Brushing your hair altogether consistently will help relax and eliminate dead skin drops, increment the smooth progression of sebum along the hair shaft, and increment blood supply to the hair follicles. Wash hands subsequent to brushing and preparing hair. Parasitic diseases of the skin are profoundly infectious, and it is not difficult to reinfect and spread to different spaces of the body. This is the reason it's essential to wash your hair day by day and to brush out any free dandruff chips, so sound spaces of the scalp won't be tainted. Washing your hands in the wake of brushing, kneading and preparing your hair will likewise help forestall reinfection or cross-contamination. The accompanying spices and supplements have been appeared to lessen dandruff diseases. Characteristic inner medicines for dandruff. Alpha-lipoic corrosive, vanadyl sulfate, Ginema sylvestre and chromium are generally characteristic controllers of glucose levels. They can help forestall taking care of the contamination by keeping glucose levels standardized. Olive leaf and oregano leaf are both regular fundamental antifungal specialists. Regular outside medicines for dandruff. The accompanying spices can be utilized as a tonic for lessening parasitic contaminations on an effective premise. Concentrates of these spices or a few drops of their fundamental oils broke up in aloe vera gel or witch hazel can incredibly ease the side effects of tingling and chipping in dandruff. Tea tree oil is especially powerful against parasitic and bacterial contaminations. Clary sage. Desert sage. Eucalyptus. Fumitory. Ginkgo biloba. Ginseng. Grapefruit seed concentrate. Grapefruit fundamental oil. Grapeseed concentrate. Juniper berry fundamental oil. Lavender fundamental oil. Lemongrass. Myrtle. Oregano. Poiki root. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel.